Welcome back, guys. How's it going? It's Jose, and we're going back to episode, I think, 6 of Road to 50,000. And since I started this freaking series from, I think, 25,000, I started the first episode, but the highest I've ever been was about 38,000. Since then, I've been dropping down, so we've been going in the opposite direction. But we're back. It is Tuesday. As you see, my portfolio is at $8,580. It was up 1.21% today, but after hours, down 8.11%. I don't know what's going on after hours. And the past week, I'm down 54.8%. Past month, down 73.48%. Past 3 months, down 44.03%. And in the past year, I'm down 9.38%. As you see, I only have $133. I actually been doing a lot of buying. The first thing that I bought was a put option. As you see, I bought one that, what was this one? This put option that I bought here expires on March 23rd, and currently I'm down 11.82% today. But I figured that since today was a green day, I'd buy a put option, and tomorrow will be most likely a red day. And it seems like that's how it's gonna be, because after hours, I'm down a crap ton. I'm down $757 after hours. So hopefully the markets go down tomorrow for my put option, so that I can sell it, have more cash on hand, and buy more things. Let's go over some of my holdings. First one we have here is Square. Square is at $43.05, up 8.38% today, down 3.76% after hours. Past week, down 35.12%. Past month, down 47.29%. Past 3 months, down 34.68%. Past year, down 43.81%. There you go, I am down 35.85%, which is $312.37. I have 13 shares. My average cost is at $67. Average cost is really, really high. If it goes down to 40, I'll buy another one of these. Next one, Facebook. Facebook is at 144, and today was up 2.34%, but after hours it was down 3.63%. In the past week, it is down 17.22%. Past month, down 32.57%, and in the past 3 months, down 28.03%. Past year, it is down 11.96%. Next one here is Nvidia. I actually sold off on some of my Nvidia shares. It is up 10.63% today, but after hours, it is down 2.79%. I figured that, and since I believe that the markets will continue to keep dropping more, it would stay low for until they find out a cure or a vaccine for this, that this will not end soon, and more people would get infected, which would cause more and more places to shut down, just so it could slow down the spread, so the healthcare system won't be overwhelmed. That's the whole point. If the healthcare system becomes overwhelmed, then that's not good. Then a lot more people will die, and that's not good. And if that happens, then I don't know, the markets will go down even more. Past week, down 17.4%. That's why I believe that more companies will keep dropping more and more and more. Past week, down 17.4%. Past month, down 26.06%. Past 3 months, down 8.05%. And in the past year, it's down up 23.46%. I have 5 shares. $193.60 is my average cost. Like I said, I would only buy Nvidia if it goes down below $193. Tesla at $407, almost 300, almost 300. I would love to buy at 300. It is down 3.34% today. After hours is down 5.27%. 1 week, down 36.33%. Past month, down 51.58%. Past 3 months, up 7.06%. Past year, up 47.65%. I have 18 shares, average cost of $300. I'm up 35.62%. And that's up $1,926. I did buy one share at $438. It's all the way to $407. So if it hits under $300, I'll buy another one. I want to get a large Tesla shares up. Next one that we have here is Uber at $8.16, down 6.8% today, and after hours down 3.97%. Past week down 4.89%. Past month down 54%. Past 3 months down 38.69%. And in the past year, it is down 59.64%. I did buy Uber at 43 shares at 34.47 is my average cost, and I'm down 47.2%, which is $700. When did I buy Uber today? I did work today, so I was just buying. I bought 2 shares at 19.47, and right now it is 18.16. So even after I bought, it went down more. Next one I have here, Roku, $66.51, up 8.8% after today, and after hours down 4.25%, and past week down 31.12%, past month down 49.48%, past 3 months down 51.11%, past year is up 5.2%. Oh, and let me just look at my position. I have 17 shares. Average cost is $122.03, which I'm down 45.5%. I would love to get some more. I just don't have any money. I did get paid today, and I get paid every 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks on Tuesday, I'll get another paycheck, and that's probably when that will add maybe $100, $200, or $300 to add to the portfolio. I have bills to pay, and hopefully these put options make me some cash so that I can add some more into the market like that. Those are the only 2 ways I'll be able to keep adding. So I'm guessing that this is gonna last a few months. So I'll have a few months of adding. Maybe I can put in anywhere from like $2,000 to $5,000 from now until then. If I can get $2,000 to $5,000 worth of stocks on any of these ones that I have here, I'll be set up to double or triple my money when everything's all comes back. So from that 2,000 or 5,000, I can make anywhere from 6 to 15 or even $20,000 more, which is what I want. I want to buy a lot of Tesla if it keeps going down. Next one, IIPR down up 3.71%. After hours down 2.68%. I'm so used to just saying down, 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 down. That's crazy. Today was a pretty good day, except for after hours is coming back down. And in the past week, IIPR is down 31.14%. Past month down 42.58%. Past 3 months down 22.41%. Past year down 28.63%. I have 20 shares. My average cost is $103.68, and my total return is I'm down 44.62, which is $925.16 in the red. Next one, Aurora Cannabis at 70 cents, it was up 2.51% today, and after hours it was down 1.34%. Past week down 27.16%. Past month down 55.13%. Past 3 months down 69.7%. Past year down 92.84%. I have 4,646 shares. Average cost $1.85. I'm down 62.26%, which is $5,364. I did buy some more cannabis. I bought 100 shares at $72.86. And even after that, it's down 2 pennies from where I bought it. So it's bad. Canopy growth at 10.15, it was up 0.8% today, but after hours down 2.12%. Past week down 26.66%. Past month down 54.61%. Past 3 months down 50.85%. Past year down 77.88%. I have 121 shares. And I just cost it at $23.11. I'm down 56.08%, which is $1,568.09. I wonder when the last time I bought this. When's the last time I bought this? I bought it when it was $18. If it goes down some more tomorrow, I'll buy some. I'll buy a few more shares. Next one is the ones that I bought. AMD. My average cost is $41.01. It's already past that. Kind of, yeah. Well, today it was up 8.19%, but down after hours 2.82%. Past week down 7.9%. Past month down 25.92%. Past 3 months down 4.8%. Past year it's still up a whole lot, 74.68%. Yeah, I have 3 shares at $41.01. I'm down 0.76%, which is not even a dollar yet. Next one, Apple at $244. It was up 4.4%, but down 3.5% after hours. Past week, down 12.04%. Jesus. Past month, down 22.63%. Past 3 months, down 12.79%. Past year, it is still up 31.32%. That's a lot for this huge company. My average cost is at $249, and I'm down 2.02%. I would love for Apple to keep going down to, let's see, if it can go down to 220s, I'll buy some more. That'll be good. Next one, Shopify At 336 right now, it was up 10.18%, but down 5.38% after hours. Past week down 22.94%, which is exactly $100 down. Past month down $198, which is $37.08%. Past 3 months down 14.07%. Past year still up 64.3%. My average cost at 335. I'm up not even $1 yet. Next one, Microsoft at 3 shares. It was about 8.23% today, but after I was down 3.12%. Past week down 90.72%. Past month down 23.49%. Past 3 months down 7.97%. Past year it's up 22.23%. Oh, I was about to say it's up 242% in the past year. Damn, by past 5 years. I have 3 shares. My average cost is at 137, and I'm actually up 3.23% on these 3 shares, which is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Planet Fitness down 8.7679% today, and down 6.75% after hours. Past week down 45.37% past month, down 61.85% past 3 months, down 54.73% past year, down 51.14%. Let's see how low this thing has been going down to. Damn, since 2018. That's just crazy. Look at that line. And as you know, I bought this pot to 27. If I can make like $100 or $200 from this, I'll be good. It expires on March 23rd, so on Monday of next week it expires. I don't know if I'm gonna hold it until then. I'm not sure. But if the market go down really, really hard tomorrow and I make a good quick few $100s, then I'm gonna selling, take profit, and buy more things. That's the plan. Every time there's a huge green day, I'll buy a put. As I see how green the day is, if the Dow goes up 1,000 points, then I'll probably buy more puts. Just depends how much cash I have, because this market's super volatile. I'm trying to be very careful when I'm buying. I don't want to buy. It's because it's really hard for me to buy these options because my portfolio is only worth, let's say it's only worth 8,000, right, or around there. And look at these put options. It's over 10,000. Well, to buy one, you have to multiply it by 100, so it's $10,000 for these. And you have to go all the way down so low. And I don't want to put so much into one put option that's like one option's gonna rock my whole portfolio. So I try to buy less than 1,000. The max is like 1,000 that I would put in. If I see the volume's good, I can get in and out quick. Or 500 would be more preferable. If I was at 20,000, if my portfolio was at 20,000, then I would be cool to put 2,000 and make way more money on it. But I don't have that much. My risk tolerance is not super high right now. Just because you see my portfolio every single day is going down 10%, down 10%, down 10%. And that's how it is right now. But that's a little update for you guys. Just see how I'm doing. Let me know how you guys are doing down in the comments. Have you guys been buying anything? Have you guys been shorting the market? Have you guys been buying put options or call options? Because you can be buying call options too. I can be buying a call option tomorrow if I see the markets go really, really red. That's what I've been noticing. That every single time there's a really, really bad red day, you buy a call option. Next day it's a good green day, and you buy a put option, and you buy a call option. But it's hard to predict it. You just assume what's happening. You don't know. Like maybe tomorrow there's some good news that changes the sentiment of the market. We just don't know, right? But anyways, I'll be back tomorrow to see how my portfolio does. You guys can see how my portfolio does as well. I post everything, even when my portfolio is up almost 300% in a year. So when my portfolio is down more than 20 or 30% in a year, I do either or. I show you guys what I'm doing, what I'm thinking, and if it's a good idea or if it's a bad idea, I'm learning from the experience. Okay. That's the end of the video. Please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.